Unique rustic entryways, welcoming nature into your home. Introduction: embrace the beauty of rustic entryways. Welcome to Decor Lab, where we bring you inspiring ideas for creating beautiful, rustic spaces. In today's video, we're diving into a key area of your home, your entryway. The entryway is not just the first impression visitors get of your home, it's also a place where you can set the tone for the rest of your decor. By embracing unique rustic designs, you can create a welcoming atmosphere that brings the beauty of nature into your home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment with your thoughts or ideas as we explore these design tips together. Choosing the perfect rustic front door. Your front door sets the stage for your entire entryway, and choosing a rustic door can make all the difference. Opt for doors made from reclaimed wood, or choose a distressed finish for a time-worn look. Iron or bronze hardware adds to the rustic charm, while glass panels let natural light flood into the space. For an even bolder statement, consider a barn-style sliding door, which adds both function and a unique touch of rustic character. Pair it with neutral tones or earthy colors to maintain a harmonious look. Using textures to enhance the rustic aesthetic. One of the most effective ways to enhance a rustic entryway is through the use of textures. Rough-hewn wood, exposed brick, and natural stone all work together to create depth and visual interest. For added warmth, layer in cozy textiles like a woven rug or linen cushions on a bench. Textures can create contrast and balance, giving your entryway that cozy, lived-in feel. By blending hard and soft elements, you can strike a perfect balance that feels organic yet refined. Rustic entryway furniture. Style meets function. Furniture in a rustic entryway should not only be beautiful but functional. A sturdy wooden bench provides a place to sit while removing shoes, and a console table made of reclaimed wood offers both storage and display space. Look for pieces that showcase the natural beauty of wood grain or have a weathered finish for that authentic rustic look. Adding baskets underneath a bench or table can offer additional storage while maintaining a clean, clutter-free space. Lighting, bringing warmth into the space. Lighting is an essential element of any entryway, and in a rustic setting, it can be both functional and decorative. Choose lighting fixtures with a warm, ambient glow to make your entryway feel inviting. Lantern-style lights or vintage-inspired fixtures in wrought iron or aged brass are perfect choices for a rustic theme. Don't forget the natural light. If possible, maximize it by using glass doors or windows to allow sunlight to flood the space during the day. The combination of natural and warm lighting will make your rustic entryway a accessorizing with rustic wall decor. No rustic entryway is complete without the right wall decor. Consider incorporating rustic wall art, such as framed botanical prints or handmade wooden signs with inspirational quotes. Mirrors framed in distressed wood or wrought iron are not only practical but help to reflect light, making the space feel larger and more open. For a personal touch, display family photos in vintage frames or hang a gallery wall of nature-inspired artwork. These pieces add personality and charm, making your entryway uniquely yours. Blending indoor and outdoor spaces. A key feature of rustic design is the seamless blend between indoor and outdoor spaces. To extend this concept into your entryway, use natural materials that feel at home both inside and out. Stone or brick flooring that continues from the exterior into the entryway can create a cohesive flow. Wooden planters or outdoor seating brought inside further blur the line between the two spaces. This design approach makes the entryway feel like a natural extension of your outdoor living space, creating a welcoming transition from outside to inside. creating a cozy seating area. A seating area in the entryway adds comfort and functionality. A rustic bench or a pair of vintage wooden chairs can make the space more inviting. You can top the seating with throw pillows in natural fabrics like linen or cotton to enhance the cozy feel. Adding a small side table next to the seating provides a convenient spot for keys or mail, while maintaining a clean and organized look. The seating area also encourages guests to pause and appreciate the beauty of your rustic entryway. Bringing the outdoors in with greenery. Plants are a perfect way to bring a touch of nature into your rustic entryway. Potted plants in ceramic or woven baskets can add life and color to the space. If your entryway has enough light, consider larger plants like fiddle leaf figs or ferns to make a bold statement. Even in a small entryway, smaller succulents or air plants can be placed on shelves or a console table. The greenery not only enhances the natural, rustic feel but also purifies the air, making your home feel fresh and alive. Conclusion: making a lasting impression with rustic charm. Your entryway is the first and last thing guests see when they visit your home, so why not make it a space that leaves a lasting impression? By embracing unique rustic designs, you can create an entryway that's warm, welcoming, and deeply connected to nature. Remember to integrate natural elements, choose functional yet stylish furniture, and add thoughtful accessories to complete the look. Whether you have a small or large entryway, rustic design principles can transform it into a space of beauty and warmth. If you enjoyed